Good morning, students. We already discussed 4 types of parabolas and some problems based on 4 types of parabolas. For example, type number 1, y squared equal to 4ax. Type number 2, y squared equal to minus 4ax. Type number 3, x squared equal to 4ay. Number 4, x squared equal to minus 4ay. These are the 4 types of common parabolas we are so far discussed. The number 1 naming is called open right. Open right. Number 2, open left. Number 3, open upward. Number 4, open downward. So, we are discussing all 7 results for these 4 types. What are the 7 results? Number 1, vertex. Number 2, focus. Number 3, axis. Number 4, directrix. Number 5, equation of the lattice rectum. Number 6, length of the lattice rectum. Number 7, endpoints of the lattice rectum. For all 7 results, we already discussed for the 4 types. The same way, we already discussed some problems based on these 4 types. For example, just recalling only. For example, a question may be asked like this. Y squared equal to 8x. So see, y squared equal to 4ax. Compare with this one. Then we can get, this is type number 1. Now, 4a equal to 8. Therefore, we can say a equal to 2. Now, we are able to work out the value a. A must be always positive for any type of the parabolas. We already discussed it. From this, open right, say type number 1 diagram. For example, just recall, this is type number 1 diagram. In this type number 1, y-axis, then x-axis, this is vertex, then this is focus, this is the directrix L. So for all the results discussed. Under this condition, under this help of this parabola, we are able to work out the general results. For example, vertex. For example, in this question, vertex is 0, 0. Suppose focus is asked. Then what is the focus? A, 0. Here A is 2. Therefore, we can say 2, 0 is the focus. Like this, we are able to work out the axis. What is the meaning of axis? Axis of symmetry. See, this diagram symmetrical about x-axis. That is, axis of symmetry is called axis of the parabola. So, x-axis. Its equation y equal to 0. The same way, see here, directrix. The directrix is x. It is passing through x equal to minus a. Therefore, x plus a equal to 0 is the equation of this directrix. Then, lattice rectum. What is the definition of lattice rectum? The focal chord passing through the focal chord which is perpendicular to the x-axis. So, focal chord point passes through the focus. Then it perpendicular to the x-axis. Then the length of the lattice rectum, 4a. Instead of a, we can substitute. All these problems we have discussed. Now, we are going to work out here new logic. But already we discussed a theoretical concept for the new logic. For example, in these 4 general types of all parabolas, the vertex is 0, 0. For example, just recall a diagram. So this is x-axis, y-axis, origin, it is nothing but vertex. This is the common. Just to be worked out. Then focus here, then directrix here. This is the common explanation. Instead of this vertex v 0, 0, shifting the vertex from 0, 0 to some other place h, k. That is the logic now we are going to work out. See, instead of this diagram, a parabola shifting the vertex from 0, 0 to some other place, vh, 0. See, vh, 0 is the new vertex. Instead of this vertex, shifting from 0, 0 to some other place, h, k. Shifting is transferring some other place. So here, take the new axis, capital X, This is capital X. Then take the new axis capital Y. This is small x and small y. So take new axis capital X and capital Y parallel to small x and small y. With the help of this vertex shifting from 0, 0 to, now we are able to draw a parabola like this. See, this is now a new parabolic diagram. So instead of this vertex, now shifting the vertex from 0, 0 to, shifting is transferring from here to this place. So this is a new formation. We already discussed out the theory. In this type of parabola, see, the standard equation is y squared equal to 4ax. This is type number 1. Here y squared equal to minus 4ax. This is type number 2. See here, instead of small x and small y, we have to use capital X and capital Y. Now, capital X squared equal to 4ay. This is type number 3. Now, capital X squared equal to minus 4ay. This is type number 4. Now, in this, we have to transformation, use the transformations. What are the transformations? Capital X is always replaced by h minus h. Capital Y is always replaced by y minus k. This is the transformations. So, capital X and capital Y should be replaced in terms of small x and small y. So, capital X is replaced by x minus h. Capital Y replaced by y minus k. Therefore, these 4 standard equations may be changes like this. See the first equation, I can write like this. The first equation, y is replaced by y minus k. So y minus k the whole squared is equal to, see, 4a, x is replaced by x minus h. This is the first type of equation of the parabola using the new vertex h comma k. The same type we are able to work out. See, y minus k the whole squared equal to minus 4a x minus h. The same way we are able to work out the third and fourth. So this is the new logic we are going to discuss. Under this condition, today we are going to work out some problems. See, find the same logics we are going to work out. Find vertex, focus, axis, directrix. Question number 1. Find vertex, comma focus, comma directrix, comma axis, comma length of the lattice rectum. See, find the vertex, focus, directrix, axis, length of the lattice rectum for the following parabolas. In this, question number 1, this is a common heading. Find vertex, focus, directrix, axis, length of the lattice rectum for the following parabolas and sketch the diagram. That question may be asked this type also. See, question number 1. Y squared minus 4y minus 8x plus 12 equal to 0. Y squared minus 4y minus 8x plus 12 equal to 0. Yesterday, in the previous class also, we discussed the same topic. Find the vertex, focus, directrix, axis, length of the lattice rectum, equation of the lattice rectum. The question may be asked at the same time. But the given equation, we are able to justify direct equation with any type of the equation, any one type. See, for example, like this, y squared equal to 8x, y squared equal to minus 4x, x squared equal to 16y, then x squared equal to minus 16y. Like this, the question may be asked under this following equations. The question may be like this, but equations are like this. See, we are able to compare with this is the first type, this is the second type, this is the third type, this is fourth type. Directly we are able to justify the given question belongs to which topic. Directly we are able to justify. But here we are not able to justify. See this one, compare this one. This is not belongs to any one of these 4 types. So we are not able to justify the given question belongs to which type. Therefore, we are going to follow some new rules, new ideas. What are the new ideas? See, the given question squaring with the y family, therefore keep the y families y squared minus 4y, y squared minus 4y here. Convert into other side, 8x goes to the other side, this negative goes to the other side, we can get positive. 12 goes to the other side, we can get minus 12. This is the first step. So keep the square families. Here y squared, therefore y squared and minus 4y in your LHS, convert the remaining to 8x here minus 12. Convert to the other side. Now, you know the perfect square method. So in your lower classes. So we are able to complete this one in the perfect square. What is the meaning of perfect square? It may be in the form of a plus b the whole square or a minus b the whole square. Now we are able to complete that. That is the completing the square method. So here in your lower class you already used this logic. Y squared minus 4y. Now see the coefficient of y is 4. Take the half value. What is the half value of this one? 2. Squaring and adding here. So if the coefficient of y is 4, then half value is 2, then squaring means we can get 4 here. Adding in both sides. Therefore the given equation is unaltered. See, sorry, adding. See here plus 4. Here also I am adding plus 4. So this is the logic we are using. This is called completing the square method in your lower classes. You are already studied in your 10th standard, 9th standard like that. So y squared minus 4y. Then 4 add here LHS side and also in your RHS side. How we are getting this 4? Half of the value of this coefficient of y. See 4 is the coefficient, half value is 2, then squaring means 4. So add 4 on both sides. Now see this one. You are able to complete in the form of y minus 2 the whole squared. This is called a minus b the whole squared. So you are able to make the formation y minus 2 the whole square. In your RHS side, see 8x, 12 already negative. Here 4 a positive. We can say it is minus 8. Now I can write y minus 2 the whole squared equal to a. From this I am able to take 8 as a common number. The remaining is see here x minus 1. Now give the name. This capital, this is called capital X. Capital X is equal to x minus 1. Now capital Y is y minus 2. Capital X is x minus 1. Capital Y is y minus 2. We are considering the name like this. Therefore, the given equation is in the form of, see this is now giving the name capital Y. So capital Y squared equal to 8 into capital X. So now we are able to compare with this parabola type number 1. So directly the given equation is not able to compare. Therefore we are making some new concept. Then this formation is standard type of the parabola. See, compare with the standard type. Y squared equal to 4ax, type number 1. Say type number 1. See here 4a equal to 8. 4a equal to 8. From this we are able to work out a equal to 2. This is the first logic we have to work out. We need the value of a. A must be always a positive quantity. Then we need the type. The given equation belongs to which type? Directly we are not able to work out the given equation belongs to which type. So that use this logic, make the families of square families here. See y squared 4y. This is the square family y family. So keep all the y families here. Y squared minus 4y. Convert the other elements. 8x goes to the other side, we can get positive. This 12 goes to the other side, we can get minus. Then we are adding this 4 on both sides. This is the logic. What is the meaning of this 4? Then take the coefficient of a half value of this. Then squaring that value, add on both sides. See here y is the coefficient, then 4 is the number. Half value is 2. Squaring means we can get 4 adding on both sides. You can write this sentence like this. Add 4 on both sides. Add 4 on both sides. So we are adding this one. So this is a logic. Many students may forget this concept. Then everything will lose the mark. So this is the important logic. Completing the square method. That's all. So we are able to work out y minus 2 the whole square. Here 8x, 4 and 12 may be simplified. Then we can get minus 8. Take out this 8 as a common coefficient of x. Take out x minus 1. Then give the name. This x family goes to x minus 1. Just now I am giving the name. Capital X equal to x minus h. Then capital Y equal to y minus k. So give the name x and y families. Now the recovered equation is capital Y squared equal to 8x. Then y squared equal to 4ax. Compare with the standard equation. Now a equal to 2. So we are able to justify this is type number 1. After this work, we make a table now. From this table, you can find out the required things. So make a small table. From that table, we are able to work out. Always use this concept. It is very simple one. So make a table here. In this table, the first column goes to capital X, Y axis. That means all the results based on capital X and capital Y axis. Here, small x and small y axis. All the results converted to be small x and small y axis. See the conversion here. We are already giving the name. Capital X equal to x minus 1. I want to find small x. Therefore, small x equal to, convert this one, capital X plus 1. The same way, small y equal to, convert this one, capital Y plus 2. See this negative 1 converted to be here, capital X plus 1. This negative 2 converted to be here, small y equal to capital Y plus 2. So this is the transformations we are going to work. See the first result. What is the first result we need? Vertex. In general, vertex for all the type. See here I am already working out type number 1. Type number 1, vertex is 0, 0. Type number 1, vertex is 0, 0. Now we have to convert this vertex here. See here, what is the meaning of 0, 0? It belongs to capital X, it belongs to capital Y. This means capital X, capital Y. This result belongs to capital X, capital Y. This means capital X equal to 0, capital Y equal to 0. Any points represented by x, y only. Therefore, this is belongs to x. See this x value substitute here. Then what we can get? See 0 plus 1 we can get 1. This is 0 y value. This y value just substitute here 0 plus 2 we can get 2. Very simple transformation. See this column belongs to always capital X, capital Y. This number 0 belongs to capital X. This 0 capital Y. Substitute here. Instead of capital X 0, 0 plus 1, 1. Instead of capital Y 0, 0 plus 2, 2. That's all. Now the second result. What is the value of focus? What is the value of focus in type number 1? Already we worked out. Type number 1 focus is a, 0. Here value is a. Therefore, a, 0 belongs to 2, 0. See, this is the result number 2. This is focus. Focus is, if you want, you can write the formula a, 0. For this is type number 1, a, 0. This is formula. Instead of a, we worked out the value 2, 0. If you need, write the formula. So, for the practice, you can write like this. A, 0 is the type number 1 parabola focus. Instead of a, already worked out 2, 0. Now the transformations. Now, focus is f. Now the transformations. This 2 belongs to capital X. Therefore, 2 plus 1, we can get 3. This 0 belongs to capital Y. 0 plus 2, we can get 2. So, focus is 2, 0. This reference to capital X, capital Y axis. Now, converted to be 3, 2. Now, the third one is axis. Axis is capital X axis. See, type number 1, symmetrical about x axis. So, x axis is the axis of symmetry. So, axis is x axis. Its equation is, capital Y equal to 0. We need the result only. This is for your understanding. So, axis is x-axis, its equation is y equal to 0. Now see, capital Y equal to 0. Substitute here, capital Y equal to 0. Now we can get, see, this is the value of capital Y. We can get 0 plus 2, then 2. So y equal to 2 is the resultant of the axis. Number 4 is directrix. Number 4 is directrix. See, what is the equation of the directrix in type number 1? X plus A equal to 0. So instead of X, use the capital X plus A. Instead of A, if you want, you can write the formula. X plus A equal to 0. Instead of X, use the capital X. Instead of A, use the number 2. So X plus 2 equal to 0. This is the equation of the directrix. Now we have to convert this one. See, capital X plus 2 equal to 0. Instead of capital X, already we are having the value x minus 1, then plus 2 equal to 0. See this one, x minus 1. This capital X is replaced by x minus 1. Already we are having plus 2. Then simplifying this equation, we can get x plus 1 equal to 0. This is the equation of the directrix. Now the last one is length of the lattice rectum. Length of the lattice is always 4a. So 4a is the result. 4 into 2, 8. Here it must be a constant value. So length of the lattice rectum never changes. So this is the logic we are using. Once again, see this concept. First you have to understand clearly, then try yourself. See, these results belongs to the standard type. What is the standard type? Type number 1. Type number 1, vertex is 0, 0. Focus is a, 0. Then a, 0 is, then use the value of a equal to 2, then 2, 0. Axis is, in type number 1, x-axis, its equation y equal to 0. But use capital X-axis, its equation capital Y equal to 0. Directrix, capital X, then plus a equal to 0. Instead of a, replace 2. Length of the lattice rectum, 4a, a is replaced by 2, we can get 2. Now you have to transfer this result. This is the results we need, because the given question is in the form of small x and small y. This is for your clarification only, but mark is for this result only. We need small x, small y. This is the transformations. You have to transfer the result. See, this is the transformation. See this. Small x equal to x plus 1. How we are getting? Capital X equal to x minus 1. Convert this one. Therefore, small x equal to capital X plus 1. The same way, small y, then capital Y plus 2. Convert the every result in the form. This is capital X, this is capital Y. Convert capital X equal to 0. Substitute here, we can get 1. Capital Y equal to 0, we can substitute 1, 2. This is 2, 0. See, this is 2, 0. Substitute, this is capital X. 2, instead of capital X, 2 plus 1, we can get 3. Here 0, 0 plus 2, we can get. Then capital Y equal to 0. Substitute here capital Y. So small y equal to 2. Then capital X plus 2 equal to 0. That means this x is replaced by, capital X is replaced by x minus 1. Then plus 2. Simplifying we can get. Length of the lattice rectum never changes. Now we have to draw the diagram. We have to draw the diagram for this result. See, shifting the vertex from 0, 0 to some other place. Now see this diagram. First draw small x, small y. Everyone, first draw small x, small y. The meeting place of small x and small y is origin 0, 0. Now the vertex is shifting from 0, 0 to some other place. See here 1, 2. Where is 1, 2 here? 1, 2 placed in the first quadrant. Listen the board carefully. 1, 2 lies in the first quadrant. This is 1 unit. Here 2 unit. See this one. V 1, 2. Carefully listen the board. 1, 2. So we have to draw parallel to small x and parallel to small y. Draw the new axis. Draw the new axis, capital X and capital Y. Now see the vertex is 3, 2. Where we are able to plot this 3, 2, already we are plotting 1, 2. Now 3, 2 must be here only. So this is focus 3, 2. So this is the vertex. See, carefully listen. This is the vertex 1, 2. So vertex is 1, 2. Focus is 3, 2. So plot this point. Already I am explaining. This is type number 1 parabola. Type number 1 parabola is open right. Then all the parabolas passing through the vertex. So vertex here, type number 1 we need. Type number 1 we need. Therefore we are able to work out this parabolic path. So this is the equation of the parabola. So we need vertex and focus, which type belongs to type number 1. So we are able to work out. In this diagram, we are able to work out the directrix. See here, x plus 1 equal to 0. That means x equal to minus 1. X equal to minus 1 should be lies here only. This is the directrix. So we are able to work out. Then length of the lattice rectum must be here only. This is the length of the lattice rectum. What is the definition for lattice rectum? The focal chord which is perpendicular to the axis of the parabola. Already I am explaining, axis is capital X axis, see. This is capital X axis. Its equation y equal to 0. So already we have worked out all the results. This is the diagram we need. So diagram is very simple. Always plot first vertex, because the vertex is shifting from 0, 0 to some other place. So in this vertex, draw the new axis capital X and capital Y. After that, plot the focus. Vertex is here, focus is here, type number 1. So already I am explaining. So focus is placed between the curve. So see, focus is placed between the curve, type number 1. All the parabolas passing through the vertex. So all the concept you have to realize, and with the help of the concept, everyone carefully use all the concept. All the parabolas passing through the vertex. See the vertex. Type number 1, open right. Open right belongs. Then focus placed between the curve. Then directrix placed opposite to the vertex. Everything you have to listen carefully. With the help of this, we are going to follow some problems. So read the question. Then in the same order, we are going to work out the next question. Take down the notes clearly. Listen students. So far we discussed a type number 1 parabola shifting the vertex from 0, 0 to some other place. In the same model, we are having one more problem. Find the vertex, focus, directrix, axis, length of the lattice rectum for this parabola. Y squared plus 4y again plus 12x minus 56 equal to 0. The same model as the type number 1. So far we discussed y squared plus 4y plus 12x minus 56 equal to 0. See, directly we are not able to justify this question belongs to which type. Already we discussed sum number 1, type number 1. See here, y squared plus 4y. In the previous question already I gave an idea. What is that? Belongs to which square family, which element having the square here, y squared. Keep this y squared plus 4y in your LHS side. Then convert the remaining. What are the remaining? Minus 12x. This 56 goes to the other side. We can get positive 56. So y squared plus 4y, keep in your LHS side. The remaining two elements, 12x and 56 go to the other side. It will get the symbol change. Minus 12x, minus of minus, plus 56. Now already gave an idea, completing the square method. The same logic here also. See y squared plus 4y. What is the coefficient of y here? 4. Then half value is 2. Again squaring means we can get 4 only. So add 4 on both sides. Minus 12x plus 56. Again plus 4. Add 4 on both sides. You can make a sentence. Add 4. Add 4 on both sides. Now see in your LHS side. Again we are able to completing the square one. What is the concept here? Y plus 2 the whole squared equal to see here, minus 12x, 56 plus 4, we can get 60. We are able to get 60. In the previous question, listen carefully, here we are having a negative symbol in the previous question. Y squared minus 4y plus 4. Therefore, we are able to write y minus 2. That means a minus b the whole square. See here positive, so here also positive, y plus 2 whole square. Now we are able to take the coefficient 12 as a common number. So y plus 2 the whole square equal to, take the coefficient, that means take out the minus 12. Take out the minus 12. So if you are taking the minus 12 here, we can get x. Suppose we are taking here negative, we can get negative 5. 5 12s, again 60. So 5 times 12, negative of negative becomes positive. Now we are able to give the name. What are the name we are able to give? Capital X equal to x minus 5 and capital Y equal to y plus 2. This is the naming. Always capital X, give the name of capital X and capital Y. This is in the form of x minus 5, so give the name capital X. It is in the form of y plus 2, capital Y. Now the given equation may be changes like this. Now the required equation may be changes. See here, capital Y squared equal to, already we are having negative symbol, then 12 is the coefficient here. This is nothing but x. So see here, y squared equal to minus 12x. It belongs to type number 2. Y squared equal to minus 4ax. So from this 4a equal to 12. See here, 4a equal to 12. From this a equal to 3. So keep this concept always in your concept memory. What is that? A is always a positive quantity because a is a distance. So a equal to 3 is always a positive quantity. See, y squared equal to minus 4x. This is type number 2. In question number 1, we are already discussed about type number 1. Here we are able to get type number 2. See, we are already getting the value of a. Then we are make a decision. It is type number 2. Now we are able to make a table. With the help of the table, we are able to work out the results. Once again, listen carefully. After that, we are going to work out the table. The given question is y squared plus 4y, 12x minus 56 equal to 0. Now listen, keep the y squared family here, y squared plus 4y. Then convert to the remaining other side, minus 12x plus 56. Then add 4 on both sides. With the help of the concept, completing the square method. So that we are getting 4 here. So add 4 on both sides. Then we are able to convert y plus 2 the whole squared. Then take 12x plus 60 here. Take out minus 12. We can get x minus 5. Then give the name. This belongs to capital X family. So capital X, x minus 5. Then capital Y, y plus 2. Just give the name. Then the given equation converted to be y squared equal to minus 12x. Now compare with the standard type, y squared equal to 4ax. It is type number 2. 4a equal to 12. From that we are able to conclude a equal to 3. Now already we worked out question number 1. In this question number 1, we are worked out a table. In the same formation, you are going to work out a table here also. See here. Draw a table. In this table, the first column goes to capital X, Y axis. Here, small x, y axis. Then small x, conversion means already we gave the name. What are the name? Already we give, just a refer here. Y plus 2 the whole squared equal to, we are getting minus 12 times x minus 5. Like this we are giving the name. So we can get capital X, already we give the name, capital X equal to x minus 5. Then capital Y equal to y plus 2. So this is the naming, just we already we worked out. So here capital X equal to x minus 5. Then we need small x. Then small x means capital X plus 5. Then small y, we need a small y. Then small y equal to capital Y minus 2. Just to convert this one. This 5 goes to the other side, we can get small x. So small x equal to capital X plus 5. Here we need small y, capital Y minus 2. So this is the conversion. See the first result is we need vertex. So here see the type number 2. In any type the vertex is 0, 0. So vertex 0, 0. So I already explained. This result belongs to capital X, capital Y. So capital X equal to 0, capital Y is also 0. Just to substitute here, we can get the vertex. This is vertex. See, 0 belongs to capital X. So 0 plus 5, we can get 5. Then this 0 belongs to capital Y. So substitute here, 0 minus 2, we can get vertex V, 5, minus 2. Now the second result is, we need to find the focus. What is the focus for type number 2? Type number 2 focus is, already you know the formula, minus a, 0. This is type number 2. So see, a is 3. Substitute here, so we can get minus 3, 0 is the focus. This is belongs to capital X, capital Y axis. Now I have to convert this focus into small x and small y. So minus 3, 0, substitute minus 3 here. So if you are substituting minus 3 plus 5, we can get 2 here. Just to use here. Minus 3 plus 5, we can get 2. Again 0 here, we can get minus 2. So focus is already, just to substitute in this data, we can get 2, minus 2 as the focus. Now a already we worked out, just to substitute a, then minus 3. Now axis. Axis is, belongs to type number 2. Then axis is capital X axis. Then its equation is capital Y equal to 0. Axis is capital X axis. Then we need this result, capital Y equal to 0. Then now substitute here capital Y. I can get small y equal to C 0, 0 minus 2. So minus 2. Then directrix. See your standard results. It belongs to type number 2. In type number 2, directrix capital X minus A equal to 0. Here always use the capital letters. Wherever you are getting, use the capital letters. Then capital X, A is 3. Capital X minus 3 equal to 0. See, capital X is replaced by, see here, what is the name capital X? Capital X is X minus 5. Then we are having already 1 minus. So this is X minus 8 equal to 0. Listen carefully. This is the formula, X minus A equal to 0. That is capital X minus A. A is replaced by 3. This capital X is replaced by, see this letter, X minus 5. I am replacing this capital X, X minus 5. Already you are having minus 3. So simplifying, we can get X minus 8 equal to 0. Then length of the lattice rectum is always, I am explaining, length of the lattice rectum must be a constant. So it never changes. So what is the result? 4A. A is replaced by 3. 4 3s are 12. Here is also 12 because it is not having any x and y. It having a number, numerical value 12. See here x, here y. See it belongs to the x and y. If you are having x and y, then it can be changed. Here it is the length of the lattice rectum, never changes. See this value is 12. Therefore, just a simple work. All these first column belongs to the standard result. Then you have to convert this one. This conversion, how we are converting? This is capital X, capital Y. Just substitute here capital X, capital Y, 0, 0. The remaining is 5 minus 2. That's all. Here capital X minus 3. So minus 3 plus 5. We can get 2. Capital Y, 0 minus 2, 2. Then see here, this is the result we need. Axis, x-axis is equation y equal to 0. This y is replaced by c. This y is substitute capital Y equal to 0. Then small y equal to minus 2. See here, capital X minus A, X is replaced by 3. This capital X is replaced by C, X minus 5. Then already, simply, you are able to work. With the help of this diagram, we have to draw a diagram. Diagram is very important. So you have to draw the diagram with the help of the result only. See here, shifting the vertex. Already I am explaining. If the vertex is shifting, then we need capital X, capital Y. So first draw this diagram. See here. This is always small x, small y. So this is 0, 0. See this one. Vertex is shifting 5, minus 2. Where we are able to plot 5, minus 2. X is positive, y is negative. So it lies in the fourth quadrant. So x takes positive. See this one. Just here, 5 units here. Minus 2 units. That's all. So here, vertex. V 5, minus 2. So draw. Use the dotted lines. Then only you are able to differentiate the small x and small y. Then this is capital Y. So vertex is shifting to 5, minus 2. Then where focus is placed? 2, minus 2. See, already 5, minus 2 is placed. Then 2, minus 2 just before this one. So 2, minus 2. So this is considered focus. So focus is 2, minus 2. Just to use the quadrants, that's all. You are already used so many graphs in your lower classes. It is nothing but a graph. Without graph sheet we are using, that's all. Okay? See here, already in this equation belongs to which type? Second type. What is the name of second type? Open left side. See here, all the parabolas passing through the vertex. See, this is vertex. See this one, open left side. So belongs to capital X. This is capital X. This is capital Y. So belongs to capital X, capital Y. We are judging the type. So capital X, capital Y belongs to, we are already worked out. This is vertex passing through all the parabolas. Then focus should be placed in the opening. So see here, focus is placed in the opening. This is the diagram we require. If we want to draw the directrix, see the directrix. Directrix is x minus 8 equal to 0. That means x equal to 8 only. So x equal to 8, already it is 5. Just make some more distance here. So just to draw here, directrix, it should be x equal to 8. Because see, here must be 5 only. Here 5 means 5. This is 8. Consider this line, x equal to 8. So x minus 8 is nothing but x equal to 8. X equal to 8 is a line parallel to y-axis only. See, this is the line. Always listen. Directrix must be placed one side of the vertex. Then focus must be placed the other side. Already we fixed the focus. Vertex here. So directrix must be here only. It's the equation x equal to 8. So you have to draw the diagram with the help of these results only. See the vertex, focus and directrix. You always fix the vertex first. If the vertex is shifting from 0, 0 to some other place, then draw the new axis capital X and capital Y parallel to small x and small y. Then fix the focus. All the parabolas passing through the vertex. See the vertex passing through. Focus must be placed here. Then directrix must be placed to the opposite side. So dear students, understand the concept. What is the meaning of vertex? What is the meaning of directrix? What is the meaning of focus? What is the meaning of axis? What is the meaning of lattice rectum? So everyone should understand the basic definitions. Then this diagram is symmetrical about x-axis. Then already we discussed it. Axis of symmetry is called axis of the parabola. So this is the axis of symmetry. See already x-axis, I already explained. Axis is x-axis. Its equation y equal to 0. So everyone understand the concept, then apply, you are able to get. Now we are already discussed type 1 and type 2. Now we are going to discuss type number 3, again type number 4. Later on. Try yourself. I will give the idea. Dear students, try yourself. Listen students. So far we discussed shifting the vertex from 0, 0 to some other place h, k. In this type we discussed two problems. Type number 1, type number 2. In the same model, now we are going to discuss third question. So find vertex, focus, directrix, axis, length of the lattice rectum of the parabola x squared minus 2x plus 8y minus 2x plus 8y plus 17 equal to 0. X squared minus 2x plus 8y plus 17 equal to 0. Now listen this one. So the same concept, keep the square family here. So x squared minus 2x. So keep the square family is equal to convert into the other side. We can get minus 8y minus 17. Convert into the other side. Minus 8y minus 17. Now completing the square method. What is the concept? Coefficient of x is 2. Half value is 1. Square and adding on both sides. Therefore add 1 on both sides. Add 1 on both sides. So x squared minus 2x plus 1. In the same way, minus 8y minus 17 plus 1. Add 1 on both sides. So x squared minus 2x plus 1. Here also 1. Now we are able to complete this one in the form of x minus 1 the whole square. A minus b or a plus b only. So we can say x minus 1 the whole square. Here minus 8y, 17 and 1 will be simplification. We can get minus 16. Now once again say x minus 1 the whole square equal to, take out minus 8 as common. The remaining is y plus 2. So the remaining is y plus 2. So the same concept you are applying. Now give the name. Let capital X equal to x minus 1 and capital Y is equal to y plus 2. So give the name capital X and capital Y. Capital X equal to x minus 1, capital Y equal to y plus 2. Therefore, the given equation is capital X squared equal to minus 8 into capital Y. Now it is compared with the capital X squared equal to minus 4ay. That means it belongs to type 3. It belongs to type 3. Type 3 is, type 4. Not type 3, type 4, because we have minus 4a, type 4. Now type 4 means open downward. So compare with this one, 4a equal to 8. 4a equal to 8. From this we can say a equal to 2. We are able to get a equal to 2 and also we are able to get type number 4. Once again listen. So take the square family in your LHS, convert it to the other side, minus 8y minus 17. So it can be add 1 on both sides. The reason is completing square method. Take the coefficient of half of the coefficient of x. That means 1. Again squaring means 1. Add 1 on both sides. Now we are able to add a 1 on both sides. Now x squared minus 2x plus 1. We can say x minus 1 the whole square. Minus 8y. 17 and 1 can be simplified as 16. Minus 8 take out. Now y plus 2. It can be naming as capital X. It can be naming as capital Y. Now capital X equal to x minus 1. Capital Y equal to y plus 2. Now the equation is capital X squared equal to minus 8 into capital Y. Now compare with the standard type of 4. Then 4a equal to 8 we can say a equal to 2. Now your work. This is your work. Dear student, try to complete it. No need to copy anything. Just use the concept, use the logic. Then so far we discussed already 2 problems. In the same way, try the logics. Just I am giving all the ideas. Your work, you are going to substitute the data. Here with reference to capital X and Y axis. Here with reference to small x and y axis. Now listen. What is the name of small x here? Capital X equal to x minus 1. Then small x equal to convert into the side. We can get capital X plus 1. Now small y equal to, see capital Y equal to y plus 2. Convert into the side. Capital Y minus 2. This is the logic we are going to convert. Then the first one is always vertex. What is the general form of the type number 4 vertex? 0, 0 only. 0, 0 only. Now the second one is focus. For type number 4, focus is 0, minus a. So 0, minus a means 0 minus a means already you are working out a as 2, then minus 2. Then axis. Type number 3 and 4 symmetrical about y axis. Symmetrical about y axis means capital Y axis. Its equation, see capital Y axis, its equation x equal to 0. Axis is capital Y axis. Then its equation x equal to 0. Then directrix. Then see type number 4. What is the equation of the directrix? Here type number 4, open downward. Then what is the equation? Parallel to x-axis. Then parallel to x-axis means equation y minus a equal to 0. Here y, capital Y, minus a equal to 0. The value of a is 2. Therefore use y minus 2 equal to 0. See, length of the lattice rectum 4a. That is 4 into a means 2. So your work is, you have to try and fill this column. You have to try fill this column. See, 90% of work is completed. Now you have to convert vertex for type number 4. This is vertex is 0, 0. For type number 4, focus is 0, you can write the formula like this: 0, minus a. A is replaced by 2, so 0, minus 2. So just you can draw like this. This is type number 4. This is type number 4. Just a reference. For your reference, you can draw a rough diagram. So this is type number 4. Focus is here. This is directrix. So directrix 0, a. Then here 0, minus a. See, 0, minus a. Then substitute. Then axis is, this is y axis. Y-axis is the axis of the parabola. Its equation, capital X. Here means use the letters capital X. Capital X equal to 0. See directrix, this is the directrix L. Here the value is 0, a. That means y equal to a. Convert into same side, y minus a. But use the capital letters, y minus 2. Then lattice rectum 4a. A is 2. Substitute here. Now you have to convert here. See here, always this value reference to capital X, capital Y. Now the vertex is, just use, this is, consider this is x. Substitute here, 0, 1. That means 1. See 0 here. 0 substitute here, 0 minus 2, minus 2. Just, you can try. These data as capital S, capital Y. This is data as capital S, capital Y. See this capital X equal to 0. Substitute here capital X equal to 0. For example, axis you can get here. What is the value? Capital X equal to 0, x equal to 1. Then there, no change in the length of the lattice rectum, because capital X, length means there is no capital X and capital Y. It is the standard result. So you have to try here. What is the value of focus here? 0. Substitute here. 0 means then we can get to 1. This is focus. Substitute this is capital S, then 1. Then this is capital Y. Substitute capital Y. Minus 2. Already minus 2. We can get minus 4. Minus 2, simplify, we can get minus 4. So vertex, focus. Then already we fixed it. Directrix, y minus 2 equal to 0. Instead of this capital Y, what is the name here? See, capital Y is replaced by y plus 2. Then already you are having minus 2. Then positive 2, negative 2 will be removed, equal to 0. So your work is draw the diagram. How we are drawing the diagram? Shifting the vertex. So use first small x, small y. The meeting place of small x into small y is 0, 0. Then shifting from 0, 0 to 1, minus 2. So you have to plot the point vertex 1, minus 2. With the help of the vertex, capital X, capital Y, you have to draw. So draw capital X and capital Y passing through the vertex parallel to small x and small y. After that, plot the point with the graph. It is nothing but a graphical representation. So try yourself using the point with the quadrant. Try to draw your diagram. This is your work. Try yourself. Now listen here. With the help of this, the same model, you have to try the type number 4. One more homework I am just giving. See, this is question number 4. X squared minus 4x minus 5y minus 1 equal to 0. So here we are having square family. So keep the square family x squared minus 4x in this side, convert in the 5y other side, then positive 1. See here, coefficient of x is 4, half value is 2, squaring we can get x squared minus 4x plus 4, 5y plus 1, again plus 4. See, x squared minus 4x plus 4. Add 4 on both sides. How we are adding 4 on both sides? Coefficient of x is 4, half value is 2, squaring that value. So add 4. This is the logic, add 4. Now simplifying this, we can get x minus 2 the whole squared is equal to, see here, 5y plus 5, adding this one. Now we can write x minus 2 the whole squared is equal to, take out 5 as a common number, so we can get y plus 1. Now give the name, let capital X equal to x minus 2, then capital Y equal to y plus 1. Now we are able to get the equation. See the equation. See this one. Try yourself and verify the results. Now we are getting equation of the required parabola is. So equation is. Now equation is, see here, this is capital X. So capital X squared equal to, this is 5 times capital Y. So compare with this one with the capital X squared equal to 4ay. So this is type 3. So this is type 3. Now 4a equal to 5. From this we can say a equal to 5 by 4. So see, already we are given the name capital X, capital Y. Then we are working out a equal to 5 by 4. We are justifying, this is type number 3. Now make a tabular column. In this tabular column, first column reference to capital X and capital Y. So already we worked out the process. So dear student, so already we worked out 3 problems. In the same type. Try yourself. This is reference to capital X, Y axis. This is reference to small x, y axis. See here, capital X equal to x minus 2. Therefore, small x equal to capital X plus 2. Use this logic. Capital X equal to x minus 2. Convert this side. Small x equal to capital X plus 2. In the same way, capital Y equal to y plus 1. Convert into same side. Small y equal to capital Y minus 1. Then find here vertex for the type number 3. 0, 0. Now you have to fill this one. Now focus for, this is type number 3. Focus is 0, a. 0, a already worked out. See here, a is 5 by 4. So 0, 5 by 4. Now type number 3, axis is y axis. Its equation, axis, y axis, its equation x equal to 0. Axis is y axis, its equation x equal to 0. Now directrix. See here, directrix. See, it is type number 3. So directrix placed opposite to the vertex. So directrix is, see, it lies parallel to capital X axis, and we have to verify here what is the type number 3. See here, capital X squared equal to 4ay. So just to draw this diagram, you are able to work out like this. This is focus, this is a rough diagram. This is X axis. Then this is directrix. See here, focus 0, a. Now here 0, minus a. Therefore this line, see here the value of y equal to minus a. So converting to the same side, y plus a equal to 0. Y plus a equal to 0. Instead of a, you worked out y plus 5 by 4 equal to 0. Now length of the lattice rectum, already you know, 4a. See, this is 4 times a. 4 will be cancelled. Therefore we can get 5. So try all these 5 results yourself. Try yourself all these 5 results and try to draw the diagram. So far we discussed 3 questions. Here the 4th one. In this 4th one, try yourself the fill this column, whether it may be right or wrong. Try yourself. Then only you can get the ideas. So try to make your idea coincide with correct knowledge. So you are able to get vertex. Just substitute. This is capital S, capital Y. This is focus 0, 5 by. Substitute here. So already I give all the results. Your work is just a substitution. Then simplify. Axis is y axis is equation. I am writing the equation. Capital X equal to 0. Directrix. See here. Y plus a equal to 0. A is already we worked out 5 by 4. Then length of the latest atom is always 4a. That means 4 times a means 4 will be removed. We can get 5. So substitute and try to draw the diagram. Try yourself. Thank you.